Previous lecture I said already oscillation of floating body. Suppose oscillation of a floating body or rolling. Of a floating body. Of a floating body. I already said when a floating body tilt through an angle by overturning couple, but when overturning couple is removed, the body start oscillating about. Suppose this is the body. Suppose this is the body. This is the longitudinal axis. This is the lateral axis. When oscillating about longitudinal axis, then it is called rolling. And when oscillating about lateral axis, this is called pitching. Understands my points? And the oscillation is time period of oscillation is 2 pi root over a square radius of gyration into gm, and where gm equal to metacentric height, I and by add into bg. And suppose this is the BL. Suppose this is the B. This is the volume of liquid displaced. This is the already said moment of inertia of a plane of body about y axis. About y, this is y axis. Suppose this is length L, this is suppose B. So IYY for rectangle body is y axis. This is LBQ by 12. Understand? You can say this I or I mean. This is mean, and IXX. This is the 12B L cube by 12. Understand? This is when this value is increase, this when metacentric this value is decrease. So for safety condition, T value is this value is greater than is better. GM is more for safety condition, because less oscillation, this oscillation about longitudinal axis, then less chances of tilt of any sieve or bolt. Safety condition. GM is more for safety condition. there is 2 points, note down for any kind of exam. For passenger ship, passenger ship need more oscillation so more oscillation mean T is, this is less, GMS is less, so value is varies 0.5 meter to 1 meter for passenger ship. But warship, for warship need less oscillation, need this less oscillation, so GM is greater, and this value GM value is vary 1.3 meter to 1.8 meter, I think 1.3 meter to 1.8 meter for warship GM value. Understands? GM value is increased, so chances of tilt of boat or any ships is less. Understands? And this GM is depend on the first you understand a points. Suppose this is longitudinal axis, this is longitudinal axis, this is a lateral axis. Suppose this is the I value is, this is the moment of inertia about xx, money xx means this is lateral, and yy is longitudinal axis. I lateral is greater than I long, so GM, I know GM equal to I divided by cut minus BG. I value is increase, GM value also increase, so GM lat greater than GM long. This value also increase, so acceleration value long or say lateral is long. So a ship always the time period or number of oscillation is more than lateral, so more chances the tilt of boat in the longitudinal, about longitudinal axis. So we consider here in this problem in the longitudinal in rolling condition, not consider not so our main focus is the reduce the value of GM means metacentric height. So we I always we taken I value is about longitudinal axis. Now a problem, a solid cylinder of diameter 4 meter, solid cylinder, suppose this is a solid cylinder diameter 4 meter diameter and height, suppose this is 4 meter and diameter is also 4 meter. Find metacentric, and it is floating in and metacentric height. Find metacentric height of cylinder if the specific gravity of cylinder means Sg of cylinder is 0.6 and the is floating. because it is floating. This is 4 meter, this is floating, and total height is 4 meter, and from the free surface this height is h, assume h, and it is floating with its vertical axis. And equilibrium, this is whether equilibrium stable or unstable condition, stable or unstable condition. This is h weather. Now from the flotation principle or principle of buoyancy, from principle of buoyancy, we know weight of the cylinder, weight of cylinder equal to weight of liquid, here water, weight of water displaced. Understand here? So density of cylinder is 1000 into 600. So weight of the cylinder, density of cylinder rho c into volume. This is area pi by 4 d square. Suppose this is d square, into height is 4, height is h, and weight of fluid displaced, weight of what, density of the liquid means water, into pi by 4 d square, the area, and height is h. Now put the value 600 into pi by 4, this is the diameter 4 meter square, into h value is, height is 4, equal to 1000 into pi by 4 into 4 square into h. So this value and this value cancel out, this value cancel out. So h equal to this h equal to 2.4 meter. This is 2.4. Suppose this is the center of gravity, and this is the center of buoyancy, and this is A. This is A. So AB equal to AG equal to 4 by 2. This AG means this is the center of gravity 2 and AB equal to this value is total h by 2. H value is 2.4 by 2, means 2.2 meter AB value. Now we know now, so BG value, this is AB, this is the AG, and so we know the metacentric GM equal to moment of inertia about of plane of body. This is the plane, this is the body, and this is the circular, so this is top view is this type. First, suppose this is the diameter, so top view is the like that. This is the circular, this is called plane. This is the called plane. Now gm equal to I by v and cut minus bg. We know I already calculate ag and ab, so bg equal to ag minus ab. Ag value is 2 meter and ab is 1.2, so 0.8 meter bg value. And I value, this is about y-axis, I value is for circular 64 into d to the power 4 and d to the power 4. So pi by 64 into d to the power 4, d value is 4 meter, 4 to the power 4, and this is the volume of water displaced. Water density is volume, sorry, this is the volume of pi by 4 area, the water displaced 4 square area into height is h value is 2.4. Now put the value in gm. So gm equal to I value pi by 64 into 4 to the power 4 divided by cut value pi by 4 into 4 square into 2.4 minus bg value is 0.8. So pi cancel out, this one, this cancels into 16, and this value, this also 16, this value is also 16, this value is 16. So so 16 divided by 16 into 2.4 into minus 0.8, and 16 cancel out, so gm value is minus 0.383. This is the, and when gn value is less than 0, this is the body is in unstable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium. Understand? I already said when gm value is greater than then body is stable equilibrium, and 0 body is neutral equilibrium. Gm value I already discussed in previous lecture. Who did not see yet my previous lecture, it's my request to watch this video, and you can easily understand today's lecture.